So basically, I've been doing a lot of new squishies lately, but I have not been showing them to you. So this is basically just going to be a squishy update. So let's just get started. The first new squishy I want to show you is this orange. I think it's a mini eyeball orange, but like reproduced, but much more squishier than the actual eyeball orange. And this is on this blockchain. Where it's okay. On camera, it actually looks like a much more like orange, like maybe a tangerine. And this, so yeah. Next is this cow cake. So it's facing backwards, so like you can see the back side of it, but not the actual front side. So next is this squishy. It is this hot dog. Super cute and squishy. It's a little stiff. This one is soft and squishy, but this other one is like a little stiff but really squishy and slow rising. Next is this mushroom to replace my ripped mushroom. This one's blue. My original mushroom was red, but it's alright. Next, I already took out the full packaging, but I still kept the box. It is this octopus. It is super soft and slow rising. This is probably the squishiest thing I'll ever find in the world. And even when most of it fully rises, there are still parts. You can very detailed parts where you can see that it was squished. So, next is this panda one that his tongue sticking out. Super cool. Next is this strawberry. This was a chow cake. Either one of them. This one is I forgot what it was called. I think it's Punimaru, or Eyebloom. I think it's Punimaru, and then this one is for sure Punimaru or Eyebloom. It's one of the dipped strawberries, the rainbow covered strawberry, the rainbow dipped strawberry, metallic strawberry, chocolate dipped strawberry, all the white, vegetarian. Super soft and squishy. It's probably one of the squishiest ones out of all of them that I have. The last one that I have on this series. I'm pretty sure this one's from Apple. So let's get on to the rest of the squishies. Next, I think I have two more mini squishies. So first is a mini yummy bear donut that I did take out of the packaging, and now I kind of regret. But it is the blueberry or raspberry, the silver ball chain, and chocolate drizzle. I think it's blueberry or raspberry, but super cute. And next is a melon bun. It has a keychain. So cute. So no, most squishies I don't take out of packaging, but if they don't come in packaging, then I obviously have to keep it. But this is probably the softest squishy I will show you out of this well, this is the first softest squishy. Then the next squishy I'm gonna show you is gonna be the second softest, and then the chow cake is gonna be like the third. It smells super good, and it's pink with a white filling. So next is the squishy that I said comes in second place as of squishiness. Okay, it comes in first place as of squishiness and second place as of softness. The squishiest thing in the world is this panda bun. The chain sticking out from the bag. The bag is closed, and it's just a normal white panda bun. Super soft and squishy, super soft and slow, soft and slow. If you know what I'm talking about, comment down below. I actually do have a soft and slow squishy right here. Super soft and squishy. You can actually smell the scent from outside of the bag, but it smells like regular squishy. So yeah, the last squishy is going to blow your mind. Almost done. And it is this big symbol. Like it's orange, then it's pink, then it's yellow. So it's pretzel big and jumbo and squishy. Like you would think it is super squishy. It does not look very squishy on camera, but okay, it is very squishy, but that's because I'm squishing like most of it in the back. And I'm obviously putting this on packaging. It's like the cutest thing in the world. But yeah, so I will put this the extra. I just want to show you that on 3 squishies I actually did get acrylic charms and an extra bottle. I got 3 squishies with acrylic charms, and so right now I'm actually putting all my stuff, my balls in it. I just use it to side to keep all of my squishies that were real separate because I don't want to be like going through the whole bin. That would take me like forever. I wish I want a video time, but comment down your favorite squishy. I think mine has to be the pretzel, the panda bun, or this macaron. So, okay, I thought it fell out. But bye guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, so basically I think I will be doing the next day in the life of a squishy scammer, so just get ready for that, and it will be super entertaining. And let's just get on with that video. I'm going to stop this video right now and start that video, so let's bye bye and stay tuned for that. Bye.